A Hamilton County judge is going to appoint a receiver to run 5 properties owned by an out-of-town landlord.
And that receiver will use the rent to fix up those buildings. Local 12's Jeff Hirsh is back from the courthouse with what this could mean for tenants. Jeff.
Well, good afternoon. There's no question a receiver will be named. The issue in court today is who will it be? The company preferred by some parties has submitted a laundry list of repairs, which, if carried out, should make the problem-plagued buildings better places to live. 600 apartment units in Avondale, Westwood, and Walnut Hills are all in buildings which Judge Beth Myers has declared a nuisance because conditions have deteriorated so much. The Homeless Coalition says legal aid and the city of Cincinnati discovered 1,800 building code violations.
One good example is on Burton Avenue when the roof came in on folks in the middle of the night. And then days later, we're in with city inspectors trying to look, can people move back in? Is it habitable? You have to create this odd line in your head of, well, what issues were there before the roof came down and what issues were after? Because both, it was bad to begin with.
Banks holding the mortgages squared off in court with attorneys for the New Jersey-based owners over who the independent receiver will be, the bank's choice or someone else. Judge Myers said it's her call.
Ultimately, it's the court's decision, and I can get input from the parties, and I want to get input from all the parties, but ultimately the statute puts the burden on the court.
The receiver will have a big job. Documents filed with this case indicate at least $1 million worth of health and safety issues which need to be addressed, from security patrols to pest control. So why not just close the buildings? Well, that would create a whole new problem, finding affordable housing for more than 1,000 people. Now, the person you heard before talking about the conditions was Josh Spring of the Homeless Coalition. Judge Beth Myers is considering whether to name the receiver today or continue the hearing on Monday. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Jeff.